Hi, this is Paul from the Pond Guy, here to talk about algae control for your water garden. Green water and string algae are the most common problems pond hobbyists face. When too many nutrients caused by decaying leaves, twigs, fish waste, and other debris build up in your water garden, they act as fertilizer, causing algae to flourish. Although a little algae can be healthy, an abundance quickly becomes unsightly, ruins your water quality, and creates a headache for you and your fish. The first step in managing algae is to identify the type of algae you're dealing with. There are two types of algae commonly found in water gardens: planktonic algae and filamentous algae. Planktonic algae are floating, microscopic plants that can cause pond water to turn a pea soup green color. Filamentous algae, commonly known as string algae, form long, visible chains, threads, or filaments. These threads grow on rocks, streams, and waterfalls, forming mats that resemble wet wool. Once you've identified the type of algae present in your pond, the next step is to select the treatment to manage the growth. There are several methods to choose from, and when used as directed, all are safe for ponds containing fish and plants. There are 3 algae treatment options: algaecides, UV clarifiers, and ion clarifiers. Using an algaecide is a great way to quickly kill undesirable growth in the pond. Treat the algae growth in the morning or evening when the water temperatures are cooler. When treating with algaecides, always make sure you have adequate aeration to ensure that oxygen levels stay high for your fish. For ponds in full sun or that have a chronic green water issue, UV clarifiers are a great option. UV clarifiers destroy the ultrafine planktonic algae that cause green water. The dead algae then clumps together and is removed by your mechanical filter, leaving your pond crystal clear. UV clarifiers can easily be incorporated into new or existing ponds by installing them in line with your plumbing. Ion clarifiers work by using a copper anode and a control panel to adjust the ionization that occurs between the anode and the water. This ionization releases small amounts of copper ions into the water to discourage string algae buildup. Similar to UV clarifiers, ion clarifiers can easily be installed in line with your plumbing. Keep in mind that these water treatments are only one tool and not the complete toolbox. Usually when dealing with an abundance of algae, the pond is unbalanced and there's an underlying issue that needs to be addressed. While algae blooms cannot always be prevented, their occurrence can be drastically reduced by creating a balanced pond ecosystem. For more information, watch the Water Garden 101 video to learn how the 5 keys to a balanced pond ecosystem can keep your pond clean, clear, and healthy all season.
For more expert tips, visit us online at thepondguy.com or give us a call at 866-POND-HELP.